Saving seeds from your garden is a great way to save money and become more self-sufficient. However, seeds do not last forever. Over time, seeds lose their ability to germinate. This is especially true if they are not stored properly. Before you sow your hard-earned seeds, it's important to check if they are still viable. This simply means testing if they are still able to sprout. In this guide, we will explore two common methods for testing seed viability: the germination test and the water test. Knowing how to test seed viability empowers you to make informed decisions about your garden. It can prevent the disappointment of sowing seeds that are no longer capable of growing. It can also help you save money by avoiding the purchase of new seeds when your existing ones are still viable. Understanding seed viability is key to successful gardening. Let's delve into the methods for checking the viability of your seeds. The germination test is the most reliable method for determining seed viability. It involves attempting to germinate a sample of your seeds and observing the results. Here's how to perform a germination test. First, gather your materials. You will need a paper towel, a resealable plastic bag, and the seeds you want to test. Next, prepare the paper towel. Moisten the paper towel with water, ensuring it's damp but not soaking wet. Then, place your seeds. Spread 10 to 15 seeds on one half of the paper towel. Carefully fold the other half of the paper towel over the seeds. Now create a humid environment. Place the folded paper towel inside the plastic bag and seal it. This creates a humid environment for the seeds to germinate. Store and observe. Place the bag in a warm location, ideally around 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius. A good spot is on top of the refrigerator. Check the seeds daily for signs of sprouting. After 7 to 10 days, count the number of seeds that have sprouted. This indicates your germination rate. A high germination rate, say 70 to 90%, means most of your seeds are viable and ready to be sown. A low germination rate suggests that your seeds are less viable, and you may want to consider purchasing fresh seeds. The water test is a quicker method for assessing seed viability, but it is less reliable than the germination test. This test is based on the principle that viable seeds are generally denser than non-viable ones. First, fill a container with water, then add your seeds. Drop a small number of seeds into the water. Observe. Let the seeds sit in the water for about 15 minutes. Viable seeds will typically sink to the bottom, while non-viable ones are likely to float. While the water test offers a quick assessment, it's important to remember that it's not foolproof. Some seeds may float due to air pockets or other factors unrelated to their viability. Several factors can influence seed viability, including seed type and storage conditions. Different types of seeds have different lifespans. For instance, onion, chive, parsnip, and parsley seeds generally have a shorter lifespan than tomato, bean, or squash seeds. Proper seed storage is crucial for prolonging viability. Store your seeds in a cool, dry place to maximize their lifespan. In conclusion, testing the viability of your seeds, especially older ones, can save you time, money, and potential disappointment in the garden. While the germination test provides the most reliable results, the water test offers a quicker, albeit less precise assessment. By understanding these methods and considering the factors that affect viability, you can make informed decisions about using your seeds and ensure a bountiful harvest.